Here we have a large bin bag. Well, that's what it seems to be. This is yet another mystery parcel from Parcel Force, which was delivered the other day. I can't remember what I ordered. Something retro. Let's hope it's good. Should we delve in? It seems a shame to ruin this lovely bin bag. I might get some scissors so that I can save it and reuse it. Yeah, I'm gonna get some scissors. Haha! Seems such a shame to waste this lovely material. Now, the observant of you will have noticed a logo here that says not Commodore, not Spectrum, not anything like that. It's Panasonic. And the more astute of you will also notice that this is a Panasonic 3DO box. The very same that Panasonic 3DOs were shipped in and sold in, put away in, etc. We have a plug. You see that? We have a bloody plug. Amazing. Now I can keep that bin bag for later. Now this is a item I picked up off the Bay of E. Only 25 quid, but apparently it's faulty. It has a faulty disk drive. Hopefully I can fix it, because for 25 quid it's still not bad. Boxed. I think it's got a controller. We'll have a look in a second. It's got a 32-bit RISC CPU, 16 million colour graphics, 64 million pixel animation per second, and full screen, full colour, digital audio. Okay. Let's have a quick delve inside, shall we? Why not, Jeff? Why not? Here we have a box. Contents not yet ascertained. Here we have a 3DO. Look at this. Thing of beauty. One controller input. Output, input. Clearly an input. Because you had to daisy chain these, didn't you? Clever, but in practice, probably a bit shit. Sturdy machine. Got all the ports on the back. Expansion, RF out. S-video ports. Doesn't rattle. It's always a good sign, unless it's got no contents. But yeah, happy with that. Just even for that, and the box of 25 quid isn't too shabby at all. And then it's not a genuine controller, is it? It's not a original, but it's a Logic 3. It looks like a ship from Battlestar Galactica, possibly. And we have a SCART cable, just in case you didn't have 6,000 others in the garage or attic, like I do. Still, nice cardboard box, and a 3DO, and something falling off the puff, whatever that was. So, I should get this set up, shouldn't I? I will. I will test it. Should I do it now? Yeah, I'll do it now. I'll do it. I won't even cut the camera. Crazy like that. Where's the plug? Plug socket. No, I can't find a plug socket. But I did just find a stash of yogurt sticks that my daughter has been stashing behind the sofa. So, while I deal with that, I'll sort this out and come back maybe in a different video and we'll see if it works. Okay, thanks, bye.